and welcome to Hillsboro, Ohio, home of SealTite, America's premier air distribution systems manufacturer. Now, come on in and follow me as we show you all the things we do inside to save you time and money on the job. Follow me.
SealTite carries a huge stock of 15 to 20,000 pound coils of galvanized at all times. Our in-house slitting capabilities provide maximum flexibility to meet the tightest delivery requirements, regardless of the product or quantity needed. Our 3 automatic duct lines manufacture 32, 48, 60, and 96-inch duct from master coil to finished part. All duct is cross-broke to eliminate oil canning and noise. S-hooks are snapped on and drives are included in each box. Whether boxed, skidded, or raw-racked, our duct is packaged as you need, barcoded and stocked, ready for shipment. Nobody makes duct fittings like SealTite. We start with each component part being stamped or laser cut for perfect size, shape, and detail. We then use our lawn-patented double-lapped hand-hammered seaming technique to join the component parts together. This technique tucks out a 90-degree extrude edge into a 180-degree fold and then is hammered over to form the seal. This produces a perfect size and shaped fitting as well as a leak-tight joint that never fails and looks great on the job. SealTite has 3 coil lines that are automated to take slit coil stock and create a finished piece of 2, 3, 5, and 10-foot lengths of 30, 28, and 26 gauge snap lock pipe. All pipe is embossed with size and gauge and is shipped in a box or in racks. We manufacture pipe with the industry standard long crimp end connection as well as SealTite's proprietary tapered end connection with a short crimp and bearing space for the tightest seal between end joints. SealTite manufactures the finest sealing box in the industry. We start with a one-piece stamped part using our proprietary 90-degree extrude edge tucked into the 180-degree fold. Then it is mechanically seamed to form 4 leak-tight corners. Notice the extrude edge around the collar opening. When the collar is pressed into the opening, it forms a sealed connection to the body for the perfect zero leakage sealing box. Our round and rectangular stick-ons are the fastest growing part of our line because they eliminate the need for messing around with dovetails and greatly reduce the amount of sealing required. Notice the same extrude edge on the stamped ring. This enables the collar to be securely pressed into the ring for a leak-tight permanent seal. Just peel off the adhesive, stick it on, and 4 zip screws securely fasten the takeoff to the ductwork or plenum. Another fast-growing part of the industry is the oval pipe and fitting business. We manufacture all varieties of oval in the 4 through 8 inch sizes and custom sizes of 9 and 10 inch. All of our boot and fitting collars are made on coil-fed machines and either have a crimped end or a hemmed edge for safety to keep it round. In addition, we stamp a 1/4 offset on one end of the collar so the other end lays flat when spot welded. No leak points here like those riveted collars others make. All of our boot and takeoff bodies are made from one-piece stampings, then formed, assembled, and made ready for collar assembly. Notice the hemmed edge of the collar and the ring used in the assembly process to keep the collar round. The collar is attached using internal goring technology that eliminates bleeders on the inside of the collar and creates a leak-tight joint between the body and the collar. All of our elbows start out on our coil-fed cutoff and roll machine, riveted together into a tube and then cut apart and assembled back together either using our automated elbow machines or our handcrafted assembly process. Our typical lead time is 5 days from order to shipment, so we can't waste a lot of time moving product around. All of our fittings are boxed, barcoded, labeled, and conveyed to their final stocking location on our 30,000 square foot mezzanine. When they are needed to be shipped, they are sent via conveyor to our staging area where they are prepared to ship. Skids are loaded, product and quantities are audited and dated. Then the skids are shrink wrapped and staged for shipping. Well, thanks for taking a tour of SealTite. We hope you are able to appreciate all the extra steps we take here in our manufacturing process to make sure that our products are the best they can be and make for a beautiful leak-tight installation for you.